Haya, karibu tena. Kamati ya Olimpiki nchini Kenya NOCK kwa ushirikiano na hospitali ya Chiromo inayoshughulikia watu wenye matatizo ya kiakili wameendelea na mkataba wao wa kuwasaidia wachezaji wa Kenya wanaoshiriki mashindano ya kufuzu na vilevile waliofuzu kwenye mashindano ya Olimpiki mwaka 2024 mjini Paris, Ufaransa. Ushirikiano huo utaona kama hospitali hiyo ya Chiromo ikiwasaidia wachezaji kwa kuwapa matibabu na ushauri nasaha kuwasaidia wanapojiandaa kwenye mashindano ya Olimpiki mjini Paris mwakani.
Of Chiromo. We've worked together the last 3-4 years, and as we go to Paris, I think it's another opportunity to amplify and embrace the challenges around an athlete's welfare side. Mental health has come out as one of the areas that can really affect performance of athletes, and we want to ensure that as we provide all the other physical requirements in terms of their training program, the mental health is a key focus, as well as other topics around athletes that we're really passionate about.
In trying to provide the best and the optimal environment for performance, we know that we cannot be able to diagnose mental issues or mental challenges, and that's why the partnership with Chiromo is very critical, because Chiromo brings together a group of experts who can be able to interact with these athletes, to be able to support them, to be able to work with them, whether they are going to the Olympics, whether they're not going to the Olympics, they continue performing as athletes, they continue competing in other sports.
We are here on behalf and working with National Olympics Kenya Committee to work with these athletes to let them perform at their best. To our athletes who've worked tirelessly in the last 4 years to be selected to fall within the 100 athletes who will represent Kenya, we will continue to work with them.
Maandalizi yameshika kasi.